This is Dr. Aneil Kkhare, a professional numerologist and Vastu consultant based in Dubai. Our offices are located in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, India, London, and various other parts of the world. If your numeral chart has a missing number 7 Ketu, the seeker, it indicates lack of wisdom and spirituality. Remedies for missing number 7 in numerology. Wear white or light gray. These colors resonate with Ketu's vibration and help promote spiritual growth and clarity. Meditation and silence. Dedicate time daily for meditation or moments of silence to connect with your inner self and foster spiritual growth. Practice spiritual study. Read books on spirituality, philosophy, mysticism to develop a deeper understanding of life mysteries. Strengthen the northwest direction. Keep the northwest area of your home or work space clean and uncluttered to attract introspective energy. Spend time in nature. Visit natural environments like forest, mountain, or near water bodies to ground yourself and enhance self-reflection. Fast or detoxify. Undertake the fasting or detoxification under guidance to cleanse your mind and body and align with spiritual energy. Practice intuitive development. Engage in the activities like journaling, dream analysis, or tarot to enhance intuition and connect with deeper insights. Adopt affirmation. Repeat affirmation like I am intuitive, spiritual, and aligned with my inner wisdom daily to attract the energy of number 7 into your life. If your numeral chart is missing number 8, Saturn, the powerhouse, it indicates lack of money management, leads to fatigue and body ache. Remedies for missing number 8 in numerology. Wear dark blue or black. Incorporate these colors into your wardrobe to align with Saturn's grounding and disciplined energy. Practice discipline and responsibility. Develop a structured routine and fulfill your commitments to embody the traits of number 8. Perform acts and charity. Donate to the needy or support cause related to aged or unprivileged people as Saturn rewards selflessness. Strengthen the west direction. Keep the west side of your home or workplace clean and clutter free to attract stability and success. Engage in spiritual practices. Regular prayer, meditation, or visiting a temple on Saturdays can help align with Saturn's vibrations. Avoid overindulgence. Practice moderation and avoid excessive habits as Saturn teaches balance and control. Work with iron or steel objects. Keep an iron or steel object in your home or carry a small piece of iron to enhance Saturn's grounding energy. Adopt affirmations. Use affirmations like I am disciplined, responsible, and balanced daily to invite the energy of number 8 into your life. If your numeral chart has a missing number 9, Mars the commander, it indicates anger, frustration, and irritation issues. Remedies for missing number 9 in numerology. Wear red or maroon. Incorporate these colors into your attire to align with the Mars dynamic and passionate energy. Engage in physical activities. Take up exercises like running, yoga, martial art to channel the active energy of number 9. Practice selfless service. Volunteer or help others selflessly as number 9 resonates with humanitarian and altruistic actions. Strengthen the south direction. Keep the south area of your home or workspace clean and well lit to attract Mars energy. Focus on goals. Set ambitious goals and take decisive actions to build confidence and purpose. Control anger and impulsiveness. Practice patience and mindfulness to temper Mars' fiery energy constructively. Perform fire rituals, light a diya, lamp, or candle in the evening to invoke Mars' transformative and purifying energy. Adopt affirmations. Repeat affirmations like I am courageous, passionate, and determined daily to attract the energy of number 9 into your life. Thank you for listening to me and giving me so much time. If you found the video informative and useful, please like, share, and subscribe.